Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn about adverbs of time with a focus on the future. Here is our first set of adverbs for the future. Pang-abay para sa hinaharap. Adverbs pang-abay. For the, para sa. Future, hinaharap. Tomorrow is bukas. Next day, sunod na araw. Fortnight, dalawang linggo. Let us use our new words in a conversation. Is the concert tomorrow? Bukas ba ang concert? The, ang, tomorrow, bukas. And we use the word ba because we are asking a question that is answerable by yes or no. No, it is in a fortnight. Hindi sa dalawang linggo. No, hindi. In, sa. Fortnight, dalawang linggo. So, what's on tomorrow? Ano ang meron bukas? The word so is not exactly but both English and Filipino words serve the purpose of softening a sentence. So we say in Filipino. What's on? Ano ang meron? Tomorrow, bukas. None, but there's a party in the next day. Wala, pero may party sa sunod na araw. None, wala. But, pero. There is, may. In the, sa. Next, sunod. Day, araw. Next day, sunod na araw. Here is another set of adverbs for the future. Pang-abay para sa hinaharap. Later, mamaya. Soon, malapit na. Shortly, maya-maya. Eventually, sa huli. Here is another conversation using our new words. Let us practice a song later. Mag-practice tayo mamaya ng kanta. Us, tayo. Let us practice. Mag-practice tayo. A song ng kanta. Later, mamaya. Yes, the concert is soon. Oo, malapit na ang concert. Yes, oo. The, ang. Soon, malapit na. The others are coming shortly, meaning to say there are other choir members. The others are coming shortly. Maya-maya, dadating na ang iba. Others, iba. Coming, dadating. Shortly, maya-maya. Eventually, we will get it right. Sa huli, makukuha natin ito ng tama. Eventually, sa huli. We, natin. Will get, makukuha. ito. Right? Tama. Here is our last set of adverbs for the future. Pang-abay para sa hinaharap. After, pagkatapos. Next, kasunod. Someday, balang araw. One day, isang araw. Let us use those words in a conversation. What is our next project? Ano ang kasunod nating project? What? Ano? Our, natin. And we added a letter G because we can say it easier. Instead of saying natin project, nating project is easier. Next, kasunod. There is a fundraiser next month. May fundraiser sa kasunod na buwan. There is, may. Next, kasunod. Month, buwan. And the word na is to connect kasunod and buwan. Next month, kasunod na buwan. After that, there is an auction. Pagkatapos noon, mayroong auction. After, pagkatapos. That, noon. There is, mayroong. Here is one more conversation. One day, I will take a break. Isang araw, magpapahinga ako. One, isa. Day, araw. One day, isang araw. I, ako, will take a break. Magpapahinga. Someday, let us travel. Balang araw, magbiyahe tayo. Someday, balang araw. Us, tayo. And let us travel. Magbiyahe tayo. That is our lesson today. I hope you found it useful. And for your homework, as usual, write and talk about actions or events to take place in the future in the Filipino language. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!